In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add a header and a footer text in Adobe Acrobat Pro. So I have my PDF here, which I want to add a header and a footer to. What we're going to do is on top of here, go to the Edit menu, and in the Edit menu, you have all sorts of options, but as you can see here beneath Add Content, we have header and footer. So when we click this and then we click Add, or if you already have one, you can click Update or Remove, but we don't have one yet, so I'm going to click Add. When you click Add, you get this new window. You can choose your font, your size. So let's first check something here, and then I'm going to make it a bit bigger. You can choose the margin inches, appearance options also, which you can choose, and then you can add your text. You can choose to add it left, center, or right, both for footer and header. So let's make a header text to the left and a footer to the right, like this. You can insert page numbers if you want to, and you can also insert a date if you want to, and you can put the date in the middle also, whatever you want. Now, you get a preview here. If you have multiple pages, you can choose which pages you want to preview. You have the page range options, and you can choose apply to multiple pages if that's what you want. So let's remove this date here and then put the date in the middle and remove the pages, and maybe put the pages to the left, which is totally not logical, but just to show you that you can do this. So we now have a header to left, a centered header date, and then a footer page number to the left and a footer text to the right. And then if you click OK, it will be applied to your PDF. So that's how you can add a header and a footer, update a header or footer, remove them, add page numbers and add dates, all in the header footer option in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.